Hello, welcome to another video. In this video we're going to look at how to clean out our PlayStation 4 Slim, in particular the fan. I'm just going to get straight on with it. What you have to do is grab both the front corners of your PlayStation from behind like this, won't be easier. Lift up on the corners and simply pull away, and voila. Now this PlayStation hasn't been cleaned since it was bought, and you can see that by all the dust in the fan. Now if your fan barely has any dust around it or in it or whatever, then you won't need to take this bit off, this plate. You'll just be able to blast it with some air or get the hoover nozzle and just hoover out the dust, and it should be good to go. But if it's as dirty as this one is, then you would probably want to get in there and give it a good clean out. And to do that you would need to take the top of this power pack away, and that will allow you to unscrew this plate and take it off. And to get this bit off, this section here, you'll need some Torx screws, or in my case just a little screwdriver. As you can see, they're quite long screws. And then what you'll need to do is you'll need to undo the Phillips screws, which I have a screwdriver for here. And what that will do is, there you go, you don't need to move that. That will allow us to undo all the screws on this plate, some that we can't see because it's so dusty. There's little screws for there. There's a lot of dust. And that should now allow you just to now allow you to wiggle that out, which you can. Now all we need to do is get the hoover. Just want to get the hoover and got to hoover out, or vacuum, whatever you call it, this here and the fan, etc, etc. If you want, you can go down here with it. Now you can get air and blast it out, but I'm not going to do that because I'm indoors and it's raining outside, so I'm not going to do that. But you may want to do that. Just want to get the vacuum. Now you may want to get yourself an earbud or a Q-tip, as it's called in America, and just rub along that there, try and help it all off. The fan doesn't look too bad actually, it is dirty but it's not too bad. And yeah, then we put our plate back in, put it down, put all your screws back in there, screw this power thing back down, and then put the top back on. You get the top, you just slide it on like that, and you just push it down, press, and it's locked in place. Now if you want to, you can take the cover off for the hard drive, which literally, if you just saw, just get your fingernail in and just pick it away, and then it'll slide off like that. And you can, if you want, get your hoover in there as well, because that gets dusty also. Just a quick word on using compressed air. If you're going to use compressed air, ensure that you keep the tin or the air or whatever upright when you're doing it, and don't shake it, otherwise you can end up releasing moisture, which you definitely don't want. Now the good thing about this is the sticker on the back, the warranty sticker, won't become void as a result of doing this because it's intact. It doesn't get ripped off or anything, which is brilliant. So we've finished cleaning it out. All we have to do is get our top. Obviously all the screws are back in. And we just, from the back, push it down, clips back into place, and we now have a clean fan that's probably not going to be loud anymore because it's been cleaned out. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope that's helped you. Super simple. Bye.